Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Weir Door Pool Skimmer is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining a sparkling clean and healthy swimming pool. In this video, we will deep dive into the functionality, ease of use, and overall effectiveness of this essential pool accessory, comparing its performance against other popular models and providing you with an in-depth analysis to help you make an informed decision before purchasing. Number 5. Hydrotools 8926 Skimmer Door. This replacement Weir door is designed for easy installation and superior performance. It's compatible with most above-ground swimming pool skimmers, ensuring a perfect fit for your pool. It fits almost all Olympic brand skimmers and many other brands. The color doesn't matter, it's a versatile off-white beige. This Weir door measures 4.58 by 5.5 inches, with posts extending to 6.25 inches. Ensure a precise and snug fit for optimal skimming. Keep your pool clean and clear with this simple replacement. It's designed for easy installation and maintenance, saving you time and effort. It's built to last, providing long-lasting performance and reliability. Enjoy a cleaner, healthier pool for years to come. This replacement door is designed for simple installation, making pool maintenance a breeze. You'll have it up and running in no time. What we like. It fits almost all Olympic brand skimmers and many other brands. Installation is a breeze, saving you time and effort. If you need a reliable and long-lasting replacement, this is the one for you. What people say. This is very durable and was easy to install. It fit perfectly and functions as it should. One of the tabs broke off of my old skimmer door and this was a perfect replacement. Easy to install and seems to be a nice sturdy material. I expect it to last a long while. Works well. Perfect fit. Number 4. Calvana Weir Gate Assembly. This is an exact replacement part for your Sta-Rite U3 vinyl liner skimmer. It's compatible with multiple models and ensures a perfect fit. It measures 8.12 inches long and 5.18 inches high. While designed for Sta-Rite, it may fit other skimmer brands. Always double-check your measurements first. Made from high-quality plastic, it's built to withstand harsh weather conditions. It resists extreme temperatures and UV rays, ensuring a long lifespan. The hinged bracket design provides superior efficiency compared to other designs, specifically for SwimQuip Sta-Rite U3 skimmers. This is an aftermarket product from Calvana, meeting or exceeding OEM performance. It's not affiliated with the brands mentioned. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Shop with confidence, knowing your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This is an exact replacement part, ensuring a perfect fit. It's made from high-quality plastic that resists extreme temperatures and UV rays. If you value peace of mind, the 30-day money-back guarantee is a great bonus. What people say. A perfect replacement for the Hayward product, without the outlandish price of the brand name. It was easy to install and fits fine. Our pool is just over 5 years, and parts have started to break. This gate broke and I bought a replacement. This is the exact gate that was originally installed, and I was able to unscrew the old one and screw in the new one. Total replacement time was about 5 minutes. Perfect replacement. Ordered this product after researching several options for my broken Hayward SP1070K skimmer door flap. This was a perfect fit and very easy to install. The thing to remember is that when installing this new assembly is that the flat piece needs to slide into a vertical slot and push all the way down. Once in position, simply insert and tighten the screw and you're all set. Perfect replacement. Number 3. Calvana Weir Gate Assembly 516252. This is the perfect replacement Weir gate for your Bermuda gunite or vinyl liner skimmer. It's an exact fit and easy to install. At 8.5 inches wide and 5.37 inches high, it's precisely sized to match your existing skimmer. Make sure to double-check your measurements before ordering. Installation is a snap. It features 1/8-inch pins that easily secure it into place. No special tools required. It's made from durable plastic that resists extreme temperatures and UV rays. It won't crack or deform, ensuring a long lifespan. This is a high-quality aftermarket replacement, exceeding the performance of the original. It's a cost-effective solution without compromising quality. We're so confident you'll love it, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. Buy with confidence, knowing you're protected. What we like. It's the perfect replacement for your Bermuda skimmer. The high-quality plastic ensures it will withstand the elements. If you want a reliable replacement with a risk-free purchase, this is a great option. What people say. Fit perfectly. Great replacement part for pool. We'll buy again. Bought these after one of my old Weir's tabs broke off. These fit into the skimmers very easily and were easy to replace. Have had them for over a month and no complaints. The foam backer that helps it float shows no sign of shrinkage, which I've seen with other off-brand replacements. Also, unlike others I've bought, these fit without any need to file trim them. These were a perfect fit for my pool skimmers and very easy to install. The performance of the doors is just like the originals. Number 2. Sta-Rite U3 Weir Assembly. This is the replacement Weir assembly, perfectly compatible with your Sta-Rite U3 skimmer. It's an easy, affordable way to keep your pool clean and sparkling. It seamlessly integrates with various Sta-Rite and SwimQuip U3 skimmers, ensuring a perfect fit and effortless installation. It's designed for simple attachment using plastic hinges. No special tools or expertise are needed for a quick and easy replacement. This is a reliable aftermarket part, built to the highest standards. It offers the same functionality as the original at a fraction of the cost. Remember the part number for easy ordering and identification. Keep your pool sparkling clean with this essential replacement part. This simple replacement ensures your skimmer functions optimally, keeping debris out and your pool water clean and healthy. Enjoy worry-free swimming. What we like. It's specifically designed for Sta-Rite SwimQuip U3 skimmers. The simple hinge design makes installation quick and easy. If you need an affordable and functional replacement, this is a good choice. What people say. Fit like a glove and does what it should. Kind of like a rubber. Excellent replacement for my skimmer and easy to install. I got a new variable speed pump motor and I thought the skimmers might work better at low speeds without the skimmer doors. That was a big mistake. It turns out the skimmer doors improve the skimmer's ability to draw in debris by 80%. It turns out the shortest path through the skimmer is along the bottom so the current is under the surface. The skimmer door floats and forces the current to the surface where it is much more effective at moving debris into the skimmer. I can run at 1000 RPM, 70 watts, and the skimmer works great with the doors but not at all without the doors. Number 1. Aladdin 935 Skimmer Weir. Replacing your old skimmer weir is now easier than ever. This simple process will have your pool sparkling clean in minutes. It's designed to fit select SwimQuip and Hayward pool and spa skimmers. Check compatibility before purchasing. Simply remove your old weir and insert the new one in the same location. It's a direct replacement for a seamless fit. Installation is quick and easy thanks to the spring-loaded design. Just pull out the pins and it's ready to go. Once installed, it floats to ensure only the surface water is skimmed, keeping your pool perfectly clean. This weir ensures only the top layer of water is collected, removing debris effectively and maintaining crystal clear water. What we like. This weir fits SwimQuip and Hayward skimmers. The spring-loaded design makes installation simple. If you prioritize ease of use and a perfect skimming functionality, this is the one for you. What people say. Easy to install and works perfectly. Quality construction. Fit our pool skimmer, easy to install, still sits in place after 6 months, so it does the job. This little door has done wonders to increase the water movement in the pool. It was quick and easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.